get the blade, it will just very easy to get it on the stadium. So let's try the small one. Yeah, this small one right here. Let's see what will be the performance of the blade using this. Very small, man. What? Hey. Huh? You can change the line? What? Oh, you can make it left or right. Okay, let's see. Ready. Whoa, it's so short. So you will just... It's so small. Ready, don't go. Shoot. Ah! It's so slow. It's so slow. Now let's try to have them. Yeah, these are trash, man. Do not use them. Yeah, I don't know if I will use them. But yeah, they're trash. Again and again, the purpose for this one. First, I really want to battle them with the original Beyblade X. But yeah, when I know